This is an online tutorial for Glogster. You're going to start out by going to www.glogster.com.
You're going to register and make an account under your name.
Once you have an account, then you can get started. It will take you to a page that looks something like this. And up top we can click create a new blog, and this is what will come up. You'll see this. First we'll start by deleting these items, and that's easily done by clicking on them and then hitting the pink trash can. There's a bunch of different features here on the side. You can add graphics, text, image, video, sound, and a background, which we're going to start with. On the side you can see there's all these different categories, and you can pick whichever one that you want. We can use this one for now. Click use it, and you can see that's now the background. The next thing that we're going to look at is the fact that you can put your own pictures or a solid color there. We're going to stick with the paper. Next you can add graphics, and there's a bunch of different graphics that Glogster has that you can use. Once again, there's all kinds of categories. We'll go ahead and use this smiley face, and once again you can move that around and grab that, make it bigger or smaller. You can rotate it around 360 degrees, and there's also these other buttons up top there. You can bring it forward, put it back, and edit it and change its color. We'll go ahead and make it purple, and then you can add a link to it if there's a website you want to put it on, or you can add an effect, and the effect is a shadow. As you can see, you can move it back and forth. You can change the color if you want. That looks pretty good, and that's the graphics. The next thing we're going to do is add some text, and here's the sample text we're going to use. It comes up. It's pretty basic. Edit. You can go ahead and type in Glogster, and you can do pretty much the same things. Add a background, change the colors, but we're just going to leave it like that. You can check those things out. The next one is images, and for images you can find a link to an image. You can upload your own, or all the images down at the bottom here are archived images, and they archive all the images that you used in the past. And as you can see, once again, you can make it bigger or smaller, edit it, put a link to it, add some words, rotate it, do all those things just like you can with the graphic. The next thing that we're going to go ahead and look at is adding a video, and you can upload a video, you can put a link to a video. Uploading obviously is just taking it from your computer, putting it on there. Link would just be if you wanted to use like a YouTube video or something. I'm going to use an archived one that I've used in the past. It's a George Washington video. The last feature you can add is a sound, if you have a sound that you want to add. Otherwise, there's sounds you can put on there. I'm not going to. You can. After you have yours done, you can hit preview and see what it's going to look like. That's what mine will look like once I post it. There's the video playing. You can watch it right on that screen. I'll go back to edit, and once I want to publish it on the web, I hit save or publish. And once I click that, it'll come up here and you can rename it. We'll name it Fun. And then you can come down here and add tags, and I might add something that says like George Washington or smiley face. And then you can put it in a category. I'll put it in people for George Washington. You can pick whether you want it public or private, and then hit publish. And we're not going to go ahead and publish that one, but we will go ahead and take a look at one that I've done. Once you have a profile, you can go to it. Every person has their own profile, so we're going to click on my profile, and then we'll click on my glogs, and these are two that I've made. This one is my Drake University glog that I made about the college that I go to. So I hope that helped. That's a little bit about Glogster, and I hope it's made Glogster easier.